This video covers the use of our SafetyCalm Android app. Open your Android phone and select Settings. Select Bluetooth from the Settings menu and view available devices at the bottom of the screen. Your Android device will automatically search for Bluetooth devices in range. Once the desired device is displayed, select it to open the pairing options. Enter the device's pairing code of 1234. The device will now show as available. Open the SafetyCalm app and wait for devices to be detected. Once your device is displayed, click the Stop key. Select the desired device to log in. The app will request login credentials. These are provided in the user manual. Click OK to advance past login. The app will confirm entry and open the Sign Info window. The Sign Info window displays all the parameters currently running on the sign. To begin setup, select Level 4 options. For initial setup, we'll want to set the clock and power source options. Setting the clock will select the values your phone is set to. Next, select the power source option. Select whether the sign will run on AC or battery power. Next, we will set up the speed configuration of the sign. Select Configurations from the drop-down menu. Ensure that Configuration 1 is selected, and select Main. To adjust a value, simply press it. The first selection is Display Mode. You have several options here, including Off, On, Stealth, Test, Demo, and Static modes. Note that Stealth mode is Display Off with radar on. Next, we can set the brightness offset. The sign will automatically adjust for daytime and nighttime, but we can increase or decrease brightness using positive and negative values. Moving on, we can use the squelch to adjust the sensitivity of the sign's radar. By default, the setting is 100. Lower values increase the radar sensitivity, while higher values decrease it. Finally, we can set the units of measure and display. Now we can adjust our 4 speed thresholds to define display characteristic and output. The first threshold is the minimum speed. This is the lowest speed the sign will display and determines when the sign turns on based on driver speed. Typically, the minimum speed is set to 10 or 15 miles per hour, though it can be set higher given the specific roadway. We can now work through what will be displayed when a driver goes over the minimum speed. In typical case, we select to show the driver's speed, select amber from the color option, turn the strobe off or to happy face, set the flash mode to steady, and turn beacon off unless external beacons are connected. You can now move on to the speed limit, excess speed, and maximum speed settings, setting them up in the same way as the minimum speed. It is advised that you set the speed limit to the actual speed limit of the roadway, the excess speed to 10 miles an hour over the speed limit, and the maximum speed somewhere around 35 miles over the speed limit. You can use the individual speed thresholds to incrementally warn drivers as they go over the speed limit. Finally, you can adjust the speed log settings under Log Speed. After all your log settings are set, be sure to save the configuration. Also within the app, you can send a schedule previously set up on a PC, or you can save logs to send to a PC for viewing. We have many other videos pertaining to TrafficCalm IQ signs. Be sure to view them all.